Want to learn graphic design, AI, freelancing, photography, video editing, and more? Skillshare gives you access to thousands of online classes from expert instructors. And the best part? You can get Skillshare for free through an official offer with no credit card required. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim it step by step so you can start learning without paying anything. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you are new to my YouTube channel, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage, and here you can see I already created a video about how to get Google AI Plus free for 12 months without ADO email. So watch this video. I'll give this video link in this video description and in a I button also. And if you are interested to watch AI related videos or tech videos, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage and subscribe my YouTube channel so you will never miss an update. Now let's start a video about how to get Skillshare completely free, official method, no hack, no fake misleading claim. And here you can see I recorded a video about how to create AI videos for free, and this is the generation of our prompt. So simply visit this skillshare.com, and here you can see get 7 days free trial. But don't worry, I'll suggest you to how to get free for 2 months. Simply click on this sign up button, and here you can sign up. You can use your Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, or any email address. Use your email address, then password. After that, click on this continue button. Now wait a moment, it will redirect to checkout page, and here you can see start your 7 days free trial. But don't click on this, ignore this. I will give this promo code in this video description and in the comment box also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. So just paste this discount code or gift card or promo code, then click on this apply button. And here you can see the 7 days change with 2-month free trial. Now we need to add our card detail. Don't worry, if you don't have a card detail, then just join my Telegram channel or WhatsApp group. After add card detail, simply click on this start your 2-month free trial. And here you can see our subscription is started. Now select the any category, making your creative match. Just click on this explore more class. Now let's go to our profile. Then my classes, account setting, and membership and payment. And here you can see your next yearly charge on 47.88 will be applied on your primary payment method on October 25, and today date is 25 August. So this is completely free for 2 months, and I can enjoy Skillshare to learn any course. Simply browse the course and learn. And if you are interested to buy anything, then I will suggest to visit techpolestar.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐥𝐸 YouTube channel for simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.